Delvin Adams from the Backyard Cafe, and I'm here on a market tour with this lovely young lady from Jamaica, and I'm really excited because we just came back from Jamaica with our Backyard Cafe to the World Tour, and happy to have her here in Guyana. So we're gonna have some breakfast right here at one of my favorite spots at Border Market, Border Green, right? So come and you're gonna have some fun. Auntie Sati, watch, I got this Jamaican here, so let me show you how Guyanese food more nice. The whole thing, right? Trinidad and Guyana has this rivalry with curry chicken and chicken curry.
Yeah.
What does Jamaica has that we can? Jamaica is like, oh no.
In terms of food?
No. We don't want no. Jamaicans don't beef with anybody. They're like, yeah, okay. That's what you said. Chicken curry, okay.
No, we said in Jamaica. No, we said curry chicken.
No, you see that, but that's what I'm saying. But you guys don't beef about it.
Oh.
You guys don't beef about it. It's all good for you guys. When I went there, right? I made some curry goat, and I said goat curry to really.
No, it's curry goat.
Yeah.
Goat curry.
To really get onto the thing, right? And I posted up. You know, it's just a spoof. We're just making things happen, right?
Oh,
because
yes, to get the...
not one person, they're like, yeah, okay, that's what you say, oh, yeah. But it's all fun, guys, right?
Yeah.
We love Jamaica, trust me. I love Jamaica. I stayed in Ocho, and we get to tour St. Anne's, all a lot of the different parishes we get to visit.
So you have come to Mandeville?
Pass through.
Yes.
We passed through Mandeville. My favorite, because this is me, the Blue Mountain.
Oh, that's in Portland?
Yes,
Side,
yes.
Near St. Thomas.
All the way up. Well, I didn't get to the summit,
so you go up on
but
the little road.
yeah, and then we came back down with the bicycle tour thing. That was like the coolest adventure ever. So, guys, you wanna get to Jamaica, man? Do the Blue Mountain tour.
Yes.
And sample that coffee. Really good stuff, man.
And if you realize the people, anywhere they go, they have something to say about Jamaica. Yeah, man, I'm from Jamaica.
Not one Jamaican would say anything bad about Jamaica. And I'm talking about the guys. Am I speaking too loud? That's the excitement, right? I told you about that. The guys that's on the streets, right? Whether they're living there or whatnot, whatever the issue is, they would not say anything bad about Jamaica.
Yeah.
Proud people.
Proud of their
Proud
culture,
people.
their country.
Right?
And yeah.
Yeah, man. So here it is. Auntie Sati is the lady to meet. She's right over here.
Hi,
Auntie Sati. So you could get to take a walk inside and see what's going on there and
Oh, right here.
your real pointers.
Good morning. Yes.
That's Poverty over there, Auntie Sati right here.
So she's going to give me the tour?
Yes, inside here, we're gonna be serving up breakfast. What do you eat?
I don't know your food.
I know you don't know, right? But you eat everything.
For breakfast, normally we have like boiled banana, boiled yam with either stewed chicken, curry chicken, and or some ackee and saltfish.
Not to worry, Auntie Sati is going to hook you up with a plate of Guyanese goodness.
Yes.
No curry, Auntie Sati.
Yes.
I was planning on giving her that today, but give it to her for breakfast. She's gonna like it.
It's the how do you do the breadfruit?
They're used to roasting it and frying it.
Oh.
Right, but
Stew fish, so you boil it in the plantain?
No, we stew the fish one side.
Okay. Okay.
real food, man. Don't worry. Auntie Sati got you. Yeah. Auntie Sati, put on the mic. She wants you to put on the mic so you can get to. So show her around. Fix her a nice plate for breakfast, and
oh, so this is
the plant. What are you all in there?
Plantain and the bread.
Yeah, we had coffee, but it finished.
How was this prepared?
They say that we boil it, we press
We
it,
boil it and fry it up. It's called like a boil and fry, eh?
fry it with boil, right? We boil it.
Oh.
All right, let me see. You say, oh, no, no, the boys, they're gonna try it.
That's a lot.
Not too much, Auntie Sati, not too much.
No, but let's see, I can try it.
Yeah, watch Auntie Sati. It's a market tour we going on. I got a feature whole half day.
So this is the fish. How is the fish done?
You fry it and then stew it.
Oh, fry and stew.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know about the pepper. The pepper, how you using the pepper? You use the pepper?
Auntie Sati,
What?
I almost say a Jamaican bad word.
No. Yeah, just put it to the side.
Right.
What kind of pepper is this?
This pepper
This here
sauce.
is the wiri pepper,
And this is
and we turn it into a pepper sauce, right?
Yes.
You're not gonna get Scotch bonnet here as in abundance as how you guys would have it, but for some reason they run out the Scotch bonnet when I got there.
Oh, I'm not sure. Maybe you would have to. Did you guys go into the market?
We went into Otrius Market.
And there were none.
No, and then they give us something similar to the Scotch bonnet, but
It's not hot.
it's not hot.
I know which one you're talking about. The Scotch bonnet pepper, I'm not sure what happened. So
Okay.
yeah.
So this is you, Jamal. What are you gonna get for breakfast? You got
Oh, we got the bake with the saltfish or the sausage and egg.
Yes.
We got boil up for black eye. We got the pulori, fried balanji.
How is that done?
That is we blend it all
Yes.
and we mix it up with the flour.
Okay.
Put you whatever is fried balanji. And this is potato choker.
Oh.
And that is chicken curry.
Chicken curry.
Chicken curry.
Back home
curry.
we call it curry chicken.
Curry chicken. And we have this is chicken liver.
Yes. Okay.
Chicken.
Yes, we eat chicken liver home.
And this is squash and chicken, bowl and chicken. We got pumpkin and fried fish.
Yes.
But this is the sausage and egg. We use the bacon. We did saltfish.
Okay.
We did sausage and egg. And this is two bangles, two
Yes.
fish.
Yes. Okay.
And we have this is the same dal.
Yeah.
Take it and make
Dolly.
The dal.
Dal.
We make the same pulao thing with butter with
Yes.
the bygone.
Okay.
You try the bygone.
So these everything is normally sold off by the time breakfast time should end. Okay. By 9 everything finished. We're doing lunch. Have we lunch out here right now? Oh yeah. How many years have you been here?
7, 8 years. But 8 years I know.
Okay. And what has the experience been like? The customers and
Yeah,
everything.
yeah. Everything is okay. Everything with the customers is okay.
Yes.
I cannot complain.
Okay. So you do takeout, like
We do take out too. People call in
and they deliver. You have a delivery person.
yeah.
Okay, that's wonderful. All right then. So I'm going to go around and then
Yeah,
I'm going
sit
to
and
eat.
eat right.
All right. Bye. Oh, you can't move it.
Stay the legs, only the top moves.
All right, guys. So I am going to try the fish, and this is breadfruit cooked down with plantain. And I have a question though. Why is it most people serve their food with spoon? Can you answer?
That is how we grew up doing it.
Oh,
First it was with the hands. All right, with the spoon thing, first it was with the hands,
yes.
right? Came with our ancestors, and then they give us the spoon, and that's what we took and run with it.
Yes, because I notice when they're serving food, it's normally a spoon that I get to eat with. So I'm going to try this, guys. It's the breadfruit is cooked, right?
Right.
And cooked down with the plantain.
Kind of like the oil down.
Yeah.
Kind of like the oil down with what you guys have. So it's sauteed nice in some butter and everything.
Yes.
And that is the really ripe breadfruit, and you got the sweet plantain, the ripe plantains. How is that with the stew fish?
I love the breadfruit. Back home I eat
Fish.
the breadfruit. I'm going to try the fish.
Yummy. Yummy. Don't put too much.
That looks so delicious right now. It's like I'm behind the cameras watching this whole thing right here go down, and I'm drooling.
This is perfect for breakfast. The breadfruit crushed with the plantain, it is good.
Yes, and that is going to keep you up about 4 to 5 hours.
It's good.
Even though we're on a market tour, is a market tour, food tour, right? So we're going to be sampling a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables.
Yes.
So I don't want to fool you up there, but Auntie Sati saw you and want to take care of you. And that's what we do. We're just like you guys.
Yes.
The hospitality is in abundance here. And we have some street food right here. So Auntie Sati, you're going to hook me up with some of this, right? I can do this. So this is what we call the baigani. Baigani, you got baigani and pulori inside there. So she's gonna put it on a plate for me. I'll take some baigani, Auntie Sati. That's the baigani she's putting in there first. Then she's putting in the pulori, which is made with the split peas flour, and the baigani is eggplant. And this is served with the mango sour. Right, that's good, Auntie Sati. Thank you so much. This is served with the mango sour, and look at that. And Auntie Sati, I eat it with my hands. I dig in and eat it with my hands.
Like fried dumplings.
Yeah, but you have to bite into one of this here, please. And the sour, what we call it, is made from mangoes.
Okay.
It's the green mango, and that's why we call it sour. This is the baigani, which we call which is the eggplant dipped in a batter, and you deep fry it, and oh my goodness,
Tastes good.
oh good lord, huh? Thank you, Auntie Sati. But talking with my mouth full, right? I really don't want to do this alone. So come, help me. Dig into the plate and help me eat this. I'll slide it over to you.
This one, oh, it's hot.
It's hot. We try our best to serve hot food, fresh food, every day. That is the pulori made with split peas flour.
The sauce is spicy. You normally use a lot of spice.
Yes. We're a spicy country.
Yeah.
How is that?
He's thinking.
Thinking, trying to get into it.
It tastes like the Jamaican fried dumpling, but it's tasting like you ever had the Jamaican festival before. So it has a taste similar to the festival.
Like I said, I just came back from Jamaica. My first stop was somewhere on the street side right there in Kingston.
Yeah.
Didn't get nothing much because it was a Sunday. Everything was basically like closed up. But I'm telling you, man, we touched down and we went into Scotchies.
Oh, so you got the festival?
Oh my goodness. We got everything at Scotchies. Got my red stripe beer. I got my jerk pork.
Yeah.
Smoking with the pimento wood. No, well, it's not. This one wasn't the pimento wood. The sweet steak, they call it.
I leave Delvento describe a typical Guyanese meal: bake, eggs and sausage, and we got some fish as well.
Some fish, some fried fish.
Fried fish.
The bake is that basically a fried dough Why do we use two verbs in the same line in the same sentence? I have no idea, but it's we thing, it's we own, and we can take it, right?
That's
so
right.
that's the fried bake, which is like a fried bread.
Right,
You got the fried fish, and then you got the eggs and sausage. A typical breakfast here in Guyana.
Yeah.
And Jamal, our tour guide, he's here.
Enjoying this right now.
And not just our tour guide, the tour guide of the year 2022. Congratulations, Jamal.
Thank you very much, man.
Yeah, man.
So there was an award.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes. There's an award. It happens every year, and the best of the best wins.
So I am here, guys, with the best tour guide here in Guyana. So we're going to have a great time.
All right.
Yes, yes, we will.
I love this. I'll try this when I go back home. This is nice.
You gotta have a personal chef now. Invite us over, and then we come and cook for you.
Put this back on you for now.
So where do we go from here?
After this, we're taking our time. We're having breakfast, and we're waiting on the Guyana shop to be open. Probably about 8:30. So you got in contact with the best of the best.
Yes.
So ARD, he's one of our national heroes, so to speak, right?
Yes.
He goes out there and he put Guyana on the map
Yeah,
for
that's
us.
how I know about you guys, because of ARD.
Leon Moore, proud of that young man too. He is a bird guide,
Nature, yes.
right? He can take you anywhere into the interior and show you off anything in the interior.
And that is good. The opportunities are there. And I truly believe that as young people, and you have the vision, don't sit. Work on the vision, and the ideas will come, and then you will get better at it. So that is what Leon is doing right now. He has his vision and he's working on it. So
Yes.
Leon, I want you to continue to do your best, keep working, never give up, and then better and more life will come afterwards.
That's it right
Yes.
there. Yeah, man. Auntie Sati, can I boom you for some more Polari? Morning. Yeah. Thank you. Folks may want to know why is he eating that for breakfast?
But we
This is why though. This is actually a school treat. Yes, we had lunch kits. From my era growing up, we had lunch kits. You would go to school with the lunch kit. Your mom would wake up early. Our moms would wake up early. Mom, grandmom wake up early, and they would put this in our lunch kit. In front of the schools, they would have these older ladies that would be selling this. So if your mom, for the guys, the folks who doesn't like their moms cooking, they would go out just to get this in front of the schools.
Oh, yeah.
Am I wrong,
They're
Jamal?
still
so
doing
true.
it now?
Still doing it.
Still doing it now.
This is still very much popular.
Very popular.
Okay.
So this is a street food. It's one of the pastime. We have a few of them. The egg ball. We have the
Yeah,
Polari.
I tried the egg ball yesterday.
How was that?
It was okay.
It was okay. It was different. You have to get used to it. I don't know where you tried it from.
I tried it in region. It's region 3.
No, region 3.
Yes, there was this lady.
That's
Across the bridge.
across the bridge.
Yes, you have to go across the bridge. And
Yeah, but this way.
it's priority, something, a place like that. Denham Stand.
Denham Stell.
Yeah,
Denham Stell.
Denham Stell. Yes.
Oh, Ross. Gotta go and let them up the game, boy. Can't let me egg ball look so bad, boy. She said it was okay. Nah, egg ball is not okay. Egg ball is life, man.
No, it was good. It was new for me. It was the first time I was trying it, so I I had it. I was more concerned or more focused on how they get the egg into the into the that's what I was focused on. Because I was looking at it and I'm saying how they get the egg to go into the ball like this and so on. But I didn't get the chance to speak with the lady, so I just
here what's going to happen. We got another egg ball spot outside there. What you need to do is, well, you're already halfway there. We also have a YouTube channel.
Yes.
And we do tutorials, so you can hit up our YouTube channel.
Okay.
And subscribe to the YouTube channel.
What is the name of the channel?
Backyard Cafe Guyana.
Okay.
Backyard Cafe Guyana, and we would love for new subscribers and especially Jamaicans to get on board too. And then they can get to go see some of the fun stuff we did in Jamaica, and you get to see how that is done.
Yes.
You heard of Scotch egg?
No.
It's huge in the UK.
Scotch egg. What do they do? Boil it?
It's a boiled egg, but then it's wrapped in beef, lamb.
Oh.
It's wrapped in meat, dipped in a batter, and deep fried.
Okay.
Kind of like the same thing. So we have the egg balls, which is wrapped in cassava. And all we do is show the many things that we can do with cassava.
Okay.
Just like your bami, right? You crush the cassava, you
beat it.
yeah, and then you deep fry it. You see?
Yeah.
Which is really good. And you see how you don't even have to put what you call it, any spices and thing in the cassava.
No, it's just natural.
Natural. And it tastes so good. Yeah, man, please.
Sorry about this, but I gotta dig into some of this. We always love the local.
And it's a fun thing, right? What he's doing there is exactly what we would do as kids. And we call it a word.
Bring back memories.
Yeah. So the word is, let me boom you for some of the.
How you do the boom though?
That's the boom.
What's the boom?
You just boom. You just boom. Asking. So Jamaica have their patois.
Yeah.
And we got ours too.
But I realized that when I went to Region 3 and I talk patois, they understand me better than the English.
They will. Because the countryside would speak more patois than in the city.
Yeah.
The city we have to adjust to all the different people, culture and stuff that we have here.
Oh, okay.
So you have mixed with patois.
Yeah.
You got the standard English.
Yeah, the farmer was like, no bother with that, man. Me no want that. Don't do that. and I was understanding everything exactly. But if it comes down to the English.
Yes. And no worries, man.
Sometimes the deeper you go, the more raw it gets.
Yeah.
And then you gotta be like, wait, what?
You can be like, wait, what?
No, but I understand clearly. I understand clearly. And I started to talk back in patois. Because I say, you understand what I say to you? And I say, yes. Yep. And then I just start to communicate in patois. Yes.
Everyone understands because we are one and the same.
Yes.
We are one and the same. They are.
What do they call the language though? Like how we would call it patois. What do
Creolese.
Oh, Creolese.
Creolese, we call it.
Creolese.
Creole, like Creole food, Creolese.
Yeah, and we from time to time you're gonna hear me jumping into it, right? Because you're Jamaican, and I want to hold that. I wanna pass that on too, right? That yes, Guyana, we still got we thing going on here.
Yes.
Right, so. And the booming thing was very, very popular. You wait until you save your money, right? Wait until your friend go to buy his stuff or her stuff, and then you go up, hey, boom, let me get that. And it's something you have to, because we're so warm and inviting, right? Most of the time. You go and boom your friend for the thing, he would never say, nah, but you can't get though. Always. All right, here you go.
Oh.
All right, take on, man.
That's exactly it. Take one, man. Exactly it.
Take one man.
Take one,
Yeah.
take one, man.
Yeah.
You hear that, guys? Take one man.
Yep.
Maybe we would say techie and go on.
Take it.
And now we can't get mixed up. Jamaicans are very funny with words.
Yep.
From time to time,
Yeah, be very careful.
you hear me say Jamal Wappen body.
I know.
Yo, man, but you heard what I said, right? Body. Right? That is body, not body.
That boy.
Two different things.
It's a different thing.
I know,
Totally
but they're
different.
still.
But
they still
because
use
it
the
sounds so close,
Yeah.
Jamaicans like, hey, where go on with that boy? Yeah, fire bun.
No better come here so with that.
But it's two different words.
It's two totally different.
Body, body.
Different. But I think sometimes you get the clashing because of the fact that, you know, because we're speaking, sometimes we speak so fast.
Yes.
It comes across like, hey, we're going to
But we hardly. Oh, we would use it when we're referring to the private part, you know, right?
Right.
Yeah. So once we're referring to the private part, that's it. But in terms of like, hi, buddy.
I understand.
Don't say it at all, man. You say it, I'm in tears.
I'm like that.
So we will not say that. We will, hi, buddy, how you doing? Nothing like that. So-
Right? So no, we just want to get your audience up to par. That is two different things. And from if you hear me say it, right?
Yes.
It means brother. Come, like how you guys say, come yasso, come
Yeah.
hey na man.
Oh, you say come here, no man. Oh. Okay, but I still understand that. Even if
Auntie, you
it's
have to look at
broken, I still understand.
No local.
Oh boy.
This is so much fun, man. And we didn't even get started yet.
You haven't got started yet. We're warming you up. That's why we said don't eat too much because you got some tasting going through the market as well. The fruits.
Yeah.
But you did pretty good with your stuff right there. And do you go with this Baigani and Polori thing, boy? This is what I had for breakfast, Auntie Sati. Thank you.
What is in this?
This is the mango sour.
Oh.
So
Oh, that's a mango.
yeah, you see the
seed?
mango seed?
Okay.
So they use the mango with the wiriri pepper and we make that sauce. One thing about Guyanese also, we recycle everything. So you see this is a margarine container
Yes. Same in Jamaica.
and we recycle everything.
It's the same.
So Jamaica, you go in the freezer to get ice cream
ice
in the ice cream container,
Yes.
and then they got some kind of jam or something, the green season. So the inside there,
It's true. It's true. We
same
use-
exact thing happens here.
And if we have any jar like this, you know, it comes with a peanut butter. We remove it and put something
That's
else
right.
in there.
That's right. And the best snacks and food comes in there.
Yes.
Once it has a fancy cover and label on it, 90% of the time, you wouldn't get sales. 90% of the time, you wouldn't get sales. People want to see that authentic, that
You know what I
authenticity.
see here that is not popular in Jamaica? The coconut oil. When I was in Region 3, I see a lot of coconut oil on the street, and we have to pay loads of money to get that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
sounds
we
like
import from Trinidad.
Oh.
Here too, and they're actually. We're not gonna say anything about that. We can leave it like that. We can leave it like that. But here,
Coconut oil,
most of your
palm oil.
coconut oil comes from
Okay.
that you would get around the Caribbean.
Oh, I normally read the label. The one that I normally purchase is from
I could do that too.
Trinidad, but it's very expensive.
I could get anything from Thailand and then put
Yeah.
Guyana label on it.
Elvin.
I'm just saying, hey, the Trinidad know I love Trinidad. Trinidad know I love Trinidad. They know that. But I'm not going to sit here and lie. We are a big supplier for the Caribbean when it comes to certain
so
things.
when they get the oil,
I have no clue what they do.
No, but I understand. People know once they have their own business, they now have to represent their business and where they're located. I understand.
That's it. And it's no beef. We just saying what it is, and we've been in the background for too long.
Yes.
Guyana itself. Our tourism sector, we didn't get a chance to shine. We are now shining. Why? Because of the newfound oil thing, and I doubt that we need to stop saying that. We had so much more. We have so much more other than oil, crude oil. You see? But for some strange reason, Guyana has been in the background. And even though we were in the background, stay quiet, we're the most passive people on the planet. Passive people on the planet, they all came here to Guyana.
Yes.
Right? Everyone else, you want to be heard, it's out there. Jamaica.
But how I know about Guyana, it's through cricket.
Oh wow.
So you play a lot of cricket. You're always on our television playing cricket. So
and you got our best son of the soil on your soil there too. The head coach, the head captain, Chandra. Not Chandra Palmer. It's we name was.
I don't know who.
Yeah, man, it's not Chandra Paul, man. For the Jamaican team, he won.
For the 2020?
Yeah.
Oh no, I don't know who. I'm not sure. I didn't follow it up.
Andy is not Chandra Paul. He's the coach for the.
Yeah.
I thought he was the captain for the Talawas, man.
I don't know. I don't know the team. I don't follow up. I just know that the other day there was a big thing, and I only spotting on the highlights that the Guyanese, they would go with some cardboards and placards. So for example, she would write, "I am looking for a husband." And then it was a big excitement because but I wasn't really paying attention to the match. I was only paying attention to the crowd.
Right, but did you see what this young lady roti did? You didn't see her making roti, right?
Oh no.
All right, one of the things that young lady did, right? It was like the coolest thing ever, right? My roti is round and I need a husband. Something it's like the two of us can. That was last year. The biggest.
Yes.
She was talking to one of the guys, and he actually, after the game, he went to meet with her and took photos and stuff, right? Because the way she put it out there, man, it's like, yeah!
But I know that they always have something in the stand on the card, and it was so fun and interesting.
That's what we go for. The men and the women.
Yes.
The biggest fan in cricket are women in Guyana and Trinidad. I don't know about Jamaica. The women are traveling from Trinidad to come to Guyana to watch cricket.
Yeah, if I had the opportunity, then I would come.
Wow.
Because it was so interesting. It's highly advertised in Jamaica.
Yeah.
And so if I had the opportunity at that time, I would come.
The Talawas
just
won.
to watch the cricket.
Yeah, the Jamaican Talawas won, and thanks to Chandra Paul, who is Guyanese. I gotta stick that in.
But good coaching from Guyanese. You just stick that in there a little bit.
Yeah.
You know, so that's what you have. Going back to the roti thing, it's a thing that once your roti round, it's time for you to get married.
Oh.
Man or woman, it's not a thing, right? But it's just something that the older folks would say. It's not set in stone. Don't worry about that. It's just something that we say. So we come to poverty. You see, oh, poverty, hey, you're roti wrong. You're ready for marriage. She's married. She has kids. Poverty, you got grandkids?
Yeah.
Oh, Ross. You see, so poverty. Look at that beautiful face, that smile right there, right? Poverty is one of the persons that we had.
Can you spell her name?
Let her do that. I prefer
How
poverty.
do you spell your name?
So this is Auntie Sati, and this is
RBATTI.
Oh, poverty. You know, I thought you said poverty.
oh God,
That's why I asked for it to be spelled.
Yeah.
poverty.
Poverty.
Right?
Okay.
Yeah, and that's the Creolese. So I'm gonna break it up a little bit because I lived in the US for many years.
Yeah.
And again, another thing too, Jamal is going to agree with me with this one here, right? Guyanese can adjust to any language,
Oh yeah.
any country,
Oh yeah.
in
Just like
minutes.
the
They just gotta
Jamaicans.
reach the airport.
We just got it.
They don't even have to cross out into the plane as yet. Straight to the airport. Soon as they get into the airport, just meeting a foreign family, you know, the accent changes immediately. Immediately it goes, it changes.
Hey, in America, hey man.
And the accent could get even deeper than the actual American or a Brit or a Jamaican or a Trinidadian. It switches really fast, really fast. But I think we feel that we have to switch up our dialects or the accent because it's easier for the other party to relate or understand. That's what I think more people do it for, and don't stick within their culture. And I think we should actually try to stick more within our own culture, which would be good. But in terms of adjusted, as he said, you know, they never even travel to any of these countries. But the minute they have a friend or a family, you'd be wondering who really is the Jamaican or who really is the Guyanese.
Yeah.
You know,
You know,
so
it happened to me. I was walking on the street and I met this lady. And she just started sounding Jamaican. So I said, do you have any Jamaican connection? She was relating to me just to tell me where the store was and all of that. And then she said, no, my boyfriend is a Jamaican.
And that is it right there, because she's talking to you, and like I said, right? Remember I said that we're passive and we feel some type of way. It's a thing that what is it that you're saying? Say that again. And it's like, oh man, I don't want to repeat myself. I just want to stand here, talk quietly, and so we just switch over.
Yeah.
So for you to understand us and to get it right and not make fun, we think that you make fun of us, right? Not you per se, but yeah. So we would switch up to that.
Oh yeah, you do the switching.
And one of our, the son of the soil, one of our founding father in music, right? Dave. He sang that song. You remember that song?
Go ahead.
Oh God, I can't remember the song, man. Dave Martin, man.
You talking about the We Own? Or which one you talking?
No, not We Own. The one when the Guyanese reach to America or Canada at the airport. He even made it's a very popular song from Dave Martin band, and he's Guyanese. We're proud of Dave Martin, and he has this song that he identified. And this was, how long ago was that? That's in the 70s.
Very long time ago.
That was in the 70s. He sang about that.
Popular now.
Still popular among Guyanese. Dave Martin is he's not going anywhere. When he's gone, we're gonna, you know, or if that ever happens, you know, we're gonna put his mural in the sky, man. He's our heart, man. Dave Martin really is a son of the soil. I know you guys are proud of your music heritage there. That's really good.
Music, food, basically almost everything they're proud of.
Dave Martin, Trade Winds.
Yeah, so it's Trade Winds got that one, right? The Milo. And that's what we call chocolate, the hot chocolate.
The Milo?
Milo. The Milo.
use Milo, but now they come with so many things. A lot of chocolate. You know, we make our own chocolate, right? The chocolate stick. Where they beat it, roll it, and then that's the original chocolate. So they will grate it, and then
And that comes from the Blue Mountain area too?
Yes, and they have a lot of the chocolate trees, so they will know to beat it. But they have that traditional chocolate, like those who are visiting from overseas and so on, that's what they want to taste. The natural chocolate.
Good.
But we do have Milo and others that are introduced to the market.
Oh, this is so good. So this is what we call the chocolatey. It's Milo, and it's a treat. It's a treat. It tastes so good. So good. This is Auntie Sati.
Auntie Sati from Border Market.
Yes, and she's located at Border Green. And
well, this is the little snack that I have. And every morning we got breakfast and we got lunch.
yes,
Okay.
Right.
What are some of the lunch menu? What is
They
the
look
lunch?
like we cook like chow mein, fried rice, cook up. We got catfish curry, we got staple curry. What kind of curry? We got like mutton curry.
she's gonna be in for a treat because when you said all the fish curry and thing, I don't think she have. Yeah, right. I don't think she ever seen it like how she's gonna get to see it in the marketplace. So I'm so happy. Describe it to her and let her know everything that we got going here. So Auntie Sati takes care of all the people here in the market, all of our food stalls. So it's from the what you call it, the guys that's bringing in the food, the delivery guys, the cart pushers. Yes,
Yeah.
we here, right? The stall holders, the vendors, the farmers. Auntie Sati is taking care of everybody.
All different kind of fish.
Yeah, so you want to explain one of your meal. How is it that you do you said cook up?
Yeah.
How is the cook
We
up?
do like red beans, black eye, or channel. We mix all three together and make a cocoa. We do pot roast or we do fry. Chicken on top. That's it.
Alright, so what will you say to others so that when they visit your country, you will ensure that they come here
Of course,
and visit
yes.
you? What you want to tell the world? To let them come to here and be a part of this wonderful meal that you're offering here.
Come to Guyana and get a taste of Auntie Sati's sweet hands. That's no joke, man. Auntie Sati has been taking care of me for a long time. You come to Guyana, she's located in Border Green, right? In the Border Market area. This is Border Green, right off of North Road.
Yeah.
And she just asks anybody at Border Market, where is Auntie Sati? And she will take care of you.
Okay, alright.
But we already have plenty of people coming in from different places. And as they come and they come, it's too late.
Yeah.
Yeah, now we have more and more folks coming in and showing that off.
And thank you so much.
And thank you very much for it.
I enjoyed the plantain and the breadfruit and the fish. That was really tasty.
Now, Jamal, you know what you gotta do now? You gotta get you some workout, walk her around, let that walk off. So because when I ready for shade in the backyard there, yeah, it's gonna be a throwdown.
Yep.
You hear the Creoles coming out there a little
Yes,
bit, but that's my
throwdown.
yeah.
But I understand though.
Alright, thanks.
so thank you.
Yeah, well, thank you.
Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of